Now I will quickly open my green glass color and start adding the green color onto the border. If you don't have glass color, don't worry, you can use acrylic color and use resin over it, or you can solely use acrylic color. It's completely up to you. The main process for this border is also similar. First I am just adding some color, and then using the brush I am just filling each and every gap so that there is no white mark inside the cone work and the color. Be patient and very slow while doing this. Let me now show you how glossy it is looking. As you can see the reflection of the light, it is so much glossy. And now we have to do the outer bordering. For that I will be using the cherry red color of the glass color. As this is the outer border, there is great chance that my color will spill out of my floor, so I am using a paper so that I don't ended up getting some stains in my floor. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. You can clearly see how big this air bubbles is forming. So now, just the help of a back of a brush, I'm just removing that. Also, don't forget to rotate the canvas so that you can get your desired rotation and desired orientation. At this point, I felt that I need a little bit more green to the border, so using the same glass outliner, I'm just adding one more layer to the green color. Now we will start doing our minute detailing. As you can see, all of my glass works are completed, right? So our border is complete. Now we will do the flower and the leaf design. For that, I am taking a OHP sheet or any kind of plastic sheet. This is the sheet that I got with my glass liner. So now I am just going to add a little bit amount of glass paint in the plastic, and then using my brush, I will be utilizing for making the design for the flowers. As you can clearly see, I have taken very little much amount of red color. Be very careful while using the glass colors because it tend to dry very fast. This is the brush that I will be using, which is a camel synthetic hair 0.1 size of brush. Let's have a closer look what is going on. Using my brush, I am just adding a little bit amount of color in the center part of the flower, surrounded by the stones, and after that I will be adding some red color at the tip of the petals. This will give a beautiful look to the flowers. We will do the same process for the birds. At this point of time, if you have any question for me, don't forget to ask me in the project section or the comment section so that I can answer each and every doubts of yours. The same technique will be utilized for the next flower. As you can see, I'm just adding some red color towards the center of the flower, and after that is done, I will add some little bit amount of color at the tip of the petals. Let's now complete the whole border using the same technique. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on Enroll Now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click Start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.